Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Chromebook model and ensuring the battery is above half full. This prevents mid-process shutdowns. Once done, pick a clean 8 GB or larger USB 3.0 flash drive and back up any local files if possible. You use another working computer to download the official Chrome recovery utility. Make sure to select the exact model to avoid writing incorrect firmware. Start creating the recovery image now and watch for verification messages before you plug the prepared USB into the Chromebook after entering recovery mode with ESC plus refresh plus power. This key combo forces the device into its restore environment. Then follow the on-screen prompts to apply the image. Watch for progress bars and any hash verification notices to confirm a clean write. If the utility reports a bad image, reformat the drive and rewrite the image. If errors persist, try a different USB port or another flash drive. Make sure to note any error codes shown. Once recovery completes, you remove the USB and let the Chromebook reboot to its initial setup. Finish system setup and immediately check for updates to patch damaged components. If the device refuses to boot, perform a hardware reset or, for advanced users, reflash firmware only with verified images. This fixes corrupted firmware cases. If problems persist, record error codes and symptoms, because those details speed manufacturer support and warranty service. One key tip: swap the USB drive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.